How to buy a domain with Google Domains. Now, as we all know, Google Domains is an incredible domain provider, or at least was an incredible domain provider. And the reason I say that is because Google Domains has, specifically been purchased by Squarespace. They haven't shut down or anything, but the registrations have all gone to Squarespace. So if you had a former domain with Google Domains, don't worry, you do still have that domain. They're just by the name of Squarespace now. But if you do want to buy a new one, what you can simply do is simply go to Squarespace's website and come over to Squarespace domains and simply buy a domain over here. So come over to their website, write any domain name that you want. So let's say I want this domain, right? I write in that name. And once I write in that name, as you can see, it's going to give me all the options just like Google Domains. And you can go ahead and buy any of these. So let's say I find this one is pretty decent and the prices are pretty decent as well. So it's $14 a year on these prices. Simply go ahead and check out, get this domain. They're going to give you your cPanel and all the whatnots that come with it. And that is how you're going to buy a domain with the former Google Domains, now Squarespace domains. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.